This is my last day in Kyoto. Today I'm going to go check out the Imperial Palace, and then I'm going to try and get back by around 2. That's when it's supposed to start storming, so hopefully I can beat the rain. I'm not prepared. I didn't bring my umbrella or my hat or anything, so hopefully I don't get caught in the rain. So supposedly there's a typhoon coming, like tonight, tomorrow morning, and a bunch of the trains are going to be shut down. I'm supposed to be going to Nara tomorrow, so maybe it'll turn out to be a nothing burger, probably, but we'll see. There should be a pretty good storm tonight, so that'll be fun. Alright guys, I made it to the Imperial Palace. Just looking for the entrance. I think it's right up ahead here. I stopped on the way and grabbed some breakfast at a convenience store. Just had some pastries and coffee. The convenience stores here are great. I've been practically working on 7-Eleven. Just pop in, get some food. They've got all kinds of pre-prepared food. Just reheat it or eat it cold. Good to go. Really convenient and fast. And pretty affordable. You can eat for like $5-6 for a decent meal. You can already see there's some beautiful grounds here. Doesn't look too crowded. Actually, I think I'm the only one here. Oh, there's one other guy over there. Let's see if we can find the palace. I think there's no entrance charge to visit this place, which is nice. The fees to visit the sites around here are pretty reasonable. I charge like 800 yen, sometimes 1200 yen. Some of them are free. I think I need to walk this way. I finally found the palace up ahead. This is the Imperial Garden that I'm walking around right now. It is massive. Quite a walk to get through it, actually. But I found the palace. It actually looks like this Imperial Palace might be closed. I hope it's not, but because it was quite a walk to get here. So we'll see. These places are so huge. I love when cities have big green spaces just completely surrounded by city. It shows like determination, or I don't know what the word is, but like they could easily use this valuable land to build more housing and business and industry, but they choose to keep it a nice green space. I'm trying to find the gate that's open. I walked halfway around the thing already, so I think there's a gate open on the other end, but I'm not sure yet, so we'll see. Well, the Imperial Palace was closed. I don't know why. It's like noon on a Monday. You would think that if it was ever going to be open, it would be open now, but it's not. Maybe they closed up because of the typhoon coming. I really don't know. Anyway, heading back to the hotel now. Hopefully I'll beat the rain. I think it's about a 40-minute walk or so. Probably grab something to eat on the way. Maybe get some sushi or something pre-prepared. I don't know. It's a bummer, but that's alright. Maybe I'll catch it next time. Overall, I'd say I've really enjoyed Kyoto. It's a pretty laid back town. It is a big city though. It's not, when I first arrived it felt pretty small. But yeah, it's a sprawling metropolis actually. But yeah, I've enjoyed my time here, and personally, with the temples and the shrines and stuff, I can only take so much of that. Like, for me, see 4 or 5 of them, and that's enough for me. But yeah, you could probably spend several months here and still not see it all. There's just so many. There are some hikes I'd like to do though nearby, but the weather was just too hot for them. And just hiking in 100-degree heat is just not for me. I could do it, but it would just not be any fun. So I'll be back here, I think. It's a pretty cool city. Only spent 5 days, so I didn't see everything, just got a taste. My only real complaint is that a lot of the shrines and temples and stuff have been completely rebuilt in modern times, just because they burned down. A lot of them were built originally in like the 1600s, but over the years they burnt and burnt again and were rebuilt. And so I don't know how original or authentic they are. I'm sure they did the best they could, but I'm sure there are also some details that aren't correct. But it is what it is. There's nothing really that can be done about that. So today was the big storm, the Typhoon. It basically turned out to be a nothing burger. It was it rained all day. The wind blew pretty hard for a bit. I heard some thunder and lightning in the night, but other than that, it was just a big storm. They shut down all the transportation, canceled a bunch of flights, canceled the trains. So it was just kind of an annoyance, really. I think tomorrow I'll try to go to Nara, not sure how it's pronounced. Spend the day there. But yeah, as you can see, it's stopped raining now. I don't even need my umbrella. Yeah, pretty calm. I think the worst of the storm is over, so carry on with the trip. If you found this vlog entertaining, consider subscribing. That would help me out. I'm new to this, so I know I'm a little awkward on the camera, but I'm trying to improve every video, and I've got more on the way. I'm going to be in Japan for another couple weeks, so I'll be making videos from Nara and Hiroshima, videos from Tokyo coming up also, and then after that I'm heading to the Philippines. So I'll probably be there for, I don't know, a month or two. So that's what's next. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.